This model is a 53015 KE. We have many stock. You can see every machine are ready to delivery. For the standard model, we will produce many machines. We will produce many sets of machines in advance, so our delivery time is very short. If standard, it's only about 5 days. We'll be ready to deliver. We just need 3 or 5 days to adjust and packing. You can see many sets, more than 10 sets. Clean the factories every day, many times. Make sure everywhere is very clean. You can see we have many stocks for this model. Many models, many standard models, we have stocks. This too is E series. Okay, you can see more than 10 sets.